In 2023, Amazon got this much revenue. Flipkart, the best e-commerce company in India, got this much revenue. Do you want to start your own business like Flipkart and Amazon? Then this is the video for you. Hi everyone, today I'm gonna tell you how you can start your business like Flipkart and Amazon and how you can make your own app like Flipkart and Amazon. So today I'm gonna show you our latest launch, Amazon similar website and application Raunix. You can see all the categories and subcategories, everything like this. It is having category, subcategory and subcategory. So you can have 3 steps of category. It is having multi-language, multi-currency with everything. If I change the currency right now from INR to dollar, all the products will automatically show in dollars. So you can run it in different countries as per your wish. And now you can see all the products and all the sections like this. You can see movable banners just like Amazon and Flipkart. You can see flash sales going on. You can shop by brands. If I click on a particular brand, I can see the products inside that brand like this. I can add to cart, I can share to my Facebook and social media and much more. And this is the featured product that admin want to feature to the audience. This is the featured deal and this is the deal of the day section. And now you can see all the categories and all the sellers, and this is the new arrival. And now you can also see the products that are best selling and top rated. And now this is the category section. You can see products by category like grocery, then you see grocery product, fashion, electronics, beauty. The more category you have, the more products you can have. And now these are some other pages. And now let's understand how to make order on this complete Amazon similar website and application. You can directly see products by category by directly going to the category like this, or you can also search the product. So this is the product I'm going to purchase. I can increase the quantity, I can decrease the quantity, I can also write the quantity. I can also see the seller detail and I can go to his profile, I can see all the products and I can also chat with the seller. Yes, in our Amazon clone, you can chat with the seller before making order. So this is very good if you want to have a customized or a particular discussion with the seller. The seller can also reply you, and now you can add to cart products. You can remove the products directly from cart like this without going inside page, and now you can proceed to checkout. And now you can choose the basic shipping or the fast shipping. That depends upon the admin which shipping method he wants to give. And now if there is any coupon code, you can apply it, or you can write your order notes if you have any specification for the order. And now you can see shipping charges, taxes, everything. And now you can click on checkout, and now you can enter your complete address. To enter your address, you will enter your name, phone number, home or office, and enter your address. Right now I'm going to use our saved address like this. And now click on proceed payment. And now you can choose the payment gateway. We have COD, wallet and more than 17 plus ready to launch gateways. These all gateways that you are seeing on the screen are available. As you can see on the screen, our system have multiple payment gateways. You can choose as per your location like SSL Commerce, PayPal, Stripe, Razorpay, Paystack, Sinang Pay, Paymom, Accept, Bcash, and also PayTabs, Merchant-Go, Flutterwave, Paytm, LiquidPay. You can choose as per your country. When you have gateway as per your country, your customers can pay directly by card or your country wallet. For more, you can directly contact us. Details are showing on your screen, so our team can help you the best. In our application, we also have wallet, so your customer can directly pay by the wallet amount available if they earn wallet amount. In the current application, you can see that's how you make an order. And yeah, that's how successfully a customer placed an order. And now you can see your order details. You can easily go to check orders and you can see your complete order details. You can see your wallet points. You can see your loyalty points. On each order, you can earn loyalty points that controlled by admin. And now you can also track your order. Just enter your order ID and phone number and that's it. That's how you can easily track your order. and now you can see your chats, your wish list, and much more. And that is all about our Amazon similar website, Martonix, how it works, how customer make a order, and how you can launch your own platform like Amazon. If you are planning to start your own platform like Amazon, this is the best solution for you. With multi-language, multi-currency, you can run it anywhere, and it has more than 17 plus payment gateway, and a customer can generate his invoice like this. So that is how our Martonix website works. And now let me tell you some other features of the Martonix platform. In the Martonix application and website, you can easily control a lot of other things, like you can search easily in the Martonix Amazon clone. Just search product name, and yeah, it will automatically show you suggested name as per your name. You can also control the products by filters. You can also see your wish list that you can order next time. And you can also see my orders and much more. And that is all about our ready to launch Martonix platform. I hope you like this video. If you are planning to start your own multi-vendor e-commerce platform, you can directly contact us. Number is showing on your screen, so we can help you the best. In this complete combo, you will get a user application, seller web admin, website for the user, complete admin panel, sub-admin panel, complete source code, and 1 year free technical support. If you are looking for Android and iOS, then you will get user Android app, iOS user app, seller web admin, super admin panel, sub-admin panel, 1 year free technical support, and complete source code. So what are you waiting for? Start your Amazon clone, Flipkart clone business today and increase your earning up to 90%. For more, kindly contact us. Details are showing on your screen, or you can also contact us directly by messaging us. The number is available in the comment box. Thank you.